Hello students, welcome back to another session of Marketing Institutions and Organizations GE 210. So today we will be discussing about three different organizations or association that falls under Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board. Earlier we have discussed about Maha Mango, Maha Grape. So today we will be discussing about another commodities for which there is a cooperative partnership or association in the state of Maharashtra. So that is for Maha Banana there is an association, Maha Anar and Maha Orange. So this Maha Banana, Banana, Anar, Orange, Mango and grapes are the most important produced commodities from Maharashtra and which are of export quality, and their major market is international market. So we'll be discussing about them one by one, what are the objectives of each organization and when they were established. Okay, so first we will start with Maha Banana. Maha Banana, as you know, it is promoted by Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board, and this Maha Banana is called the Maharashtra Banana Growers Association, which is again a cooperative association, cooperative partnership between the banana growers in the state of Maharashtra. So this was established in the year of 2002 on 1st January, and the headquarters is in Jalgaon, where there are a large number of banana cultivators. So what is this Maha Banana? The Directorate of Agriculture Marketing and Inspection along with Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board have initiated the efforts for coordination and establishment of Maha Banana, and that happened in the year 2002. So who all are the organizations which facilitated for the formation of Maha Banana? Yes, DMI and the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board, and as we said, the headquarters is in Jalgaon. And what does it do? The modern pack house include automatic banana conveyor system, pre-cooling, storage, ripening chamber established in banana growing belt, which in Jalgaon and the Hingoli respectively. So these are the facilities which are provided to the growers or the members in the Maha Banana Association, and these all facilities are provided in the two areas like Jalgaon and Hingoli. So what are the major objectives of this association? First is to plan a strategy of banana export and work accordingly, because it is very perishable in nature, so that have to be harvested in the early days, and how the packaging can be done, how the quality can be improved, what will be the value, like all those things have to be planned and strategized. So second objective is to provide information to various interested organization on new varieties having export potential. So have to think over developing new varieties which can conquer the international market. And next is supply of tissue culture plants along with the guidance of plantation. So a tissue culture, the small variants of the banana, the saplings will be also provided. Next is organize seminars, workshops, training programs to boost the production activity, production having export standards. So they will be conducting certain training sessions or training developmental sessions, webinars or workshops regarding how the production can be improved, what are the varieties that can be prepared, and so that the export can be boosted out. Next, visit to the farms along with the experts for the suggestion to farmers on disease and pest control. As you know, banana is a crop on which a very huge number of pest attacks used to happen. So how to control all those things so that the production and the productivity can be improvised. So visit to individual farms of the members, to the members of the organization, the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board, and the major members, the experts in the pest control, the entomologists or the people who are experts in this disease and pest management will be visiting to the farms of individual farmers, so that the problem can be sorted out. Then plan to work for domestic and international marketing, how the marketing aspects can be boosted, how the marketing can, like more marketing opportunities regarding all those things will is also delivered. Like this is also an objective of the Maha Banana. Now coming back to another institution or another association, that is Maha Anar, that is Maharashtra Anar Growers Association. This was established in the year 2005 and on August 1st. The headquarters is in Pune. So, keeping in the view the importance of pomegranate in the international level and widely growing the trade of pomegranates in international level, an apex body named Maha Anar was established. Okay, so why there is a understanding that there is a huge demand for the pomegranate in the international and national market. So there is since there is an very much what do you call in marketing opportunity lies in the international market, the Maharashtra growers, the pomegranate growers united together to form an association called Maha Anar to boost up the marketing or the export of Maha Anar. So what are the major objectives of this association? They also have the same kind of objectives like promote cultivation of pomegranate fruit crop, provide technical knowledge to the farmers how to grow, what are the major facilities, what are the major things have to be kept in mind, all those informations on the technical guidances will be given, train the farmers towards quality production of pomegranate. It's not about just producing pomegranate. When we are thinking to boost export of pomegranate, the major aim is to produce best quality standard, international standard commodity. So to train the farmers so that the production and the productivity and the standards, the norms will be also maintained according to the standards of the international market. The product will be, the pomegranate will be produced. Next, to undertake export quality of fruits of different destinations, to provide necessary infrastructure like pre-cooling, cold storage, handling line among farming community. All these are the facilities provided. Now the another organization is Maha Orange. You may be very Nagpur oranges are very famous, and the Maha Orange is concentrated in the Nagpur area, and the headquarters is in Nagpur. So it is established in the year 2008 on March 10, and the headquarters is in Pune. So what they do in order to initiate the export of orange in the international market, as well as to strengthening the domestic marketing system of orange, and the Maha Orange as an apex body has been established in the year 2008. At present, what is there? There are 8 orange growers cooperative societies are the members of Maha Orange, so that in order to give a maximum return to the orange growers. At present, there are 5 growers cooperative societies in the state of Maharashtra, and they also provide technical knowledge about how the cropping can be done, what are the best varieties which can be used so that the quality of the product will be good. And this Maha Orange along with the Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board provide training and developmental sessions to the the growers of orange. And major objective is to strengthen the domestic marketing system of orange as well as sweet lime, to promote farmers for quality production to meet international requirement, to make available technical know-how about the post-harvest technology, about the harvesting, at which stage have to be harvested, since it is also a perishable commodity, what is the right time to harvest, whether it is sweet or what is the taste, according to the taste, according to the color, all those things they have to be technically trained, to promote growers for the establishment of cooperative societies, to initiate direct marketing through producer and consumer there, to remove the middleman, to make available resources like pre-cooling, cold storage, warehousing, like packaging, grading. For all these facilities are being provided, to erect the orange processing as well as orange fruit juice parlors, also to provide modern technical know-how about to the growers so that they can use the advanced technologies and they can consume the time. So these are the major informations regarding the 3 organizations: Maha Banana, Maha Anar, and Maha Orange. So in the earlier classes we have discussed about Maha Grapes and Maha Mango. So by this these are the cooperative partnership institutions or organizations which are being promoted by Maharashtra State Agriculture Marketing Board for the export promotion or for the export, mainly to boost the export of these fruits. Okay, so I hope by this you may have got a clear idea about what are the major commodities or the commodities in which the Maharashtra is leading, and what are the major associations which are there to help out the growers in regarding to the marketing of agriculture commodity. So by this we will wind up this session. Thank you.